Hey Tunies, this is Business Channel Mr. Tuna Chickens, and welcome to my YouTube face again. And I'm just gonna go for a walk, guys. And yeah, Tunies, I'm just go for fish saying that. And yeah, Tunies, I just feel I had at the beginning. I was doing the vlog, Tunies. I just got a scary fright, and I got like I got like a heart attack, and because the dogs was barking at me, and the lady was shouting at them. She shouted at me first. I wasn't even talking. I said, man, who the hell is trying to bark at me, man? Jesus, man, I hate dogs, because sometimes dogs can give me anxiety. Because I used to get scared by dogs when they bark at me so loud, and I just can't deal with, an environment, It's just kind of because it's just, it just makes me like a bit anxious, and don't know why. I just don't like loud dogs, It's just make me scared and afraid and petrified. I was about to get petrified there, man. That's why I was being angry at a lady for no reason. So yeah, she needs to do her job, man. She's supposed to learn and get told to do her job. She needs to learn, man. So maybe that's why I got fright for no reason. But yeah. So yeah, Genies, just like I say, I'm going for a walk, going for good exercise, and yeah, like I'm just going for a 15-minute walk and yeah. I hope after this, Genies, well, it's not that cold, it's getting better, just we miss the heat waves and the hotness, I won't miss it. I wish I could go back to normal, Chinese, because I really miss playing football or keep it because, I just really miss the beautiful sunshine, the hotness, like the hot airs and that, being cold clothes, like wearing shorts and a t-shirt, and wearing sunglasses and that. Oh, fun times, man. Interesting times, fascinating times, but I really miss it. But yeah, maybe April, who knows. And yeah, Chinese, just so you know, Chinese, I'm going to try to do my what's going to be coming up from next for my channel. I'm just going to do a prediction about when will there be a live stream coming. Yeah, Chinese, I'm going to try to do a live stream maybe tomorrow. I'm sure, because I think I might do it in the morning. I think because I had to go Teams and talk to my friends and that. So yeah. Just get my opinion on that. So yeah, it's just my opinion. So yeah, Chinese, I'm gonna cut to my YouTube. So thanks for watching, and yeah, Chinese, I'll be fine, Chinese. I was just going for fish, saying that, just trying to relax. So yeah, but I had a hard time today. I don't know why. Who knows? Chinese, and remember to be with us.